Namaskar, friends. Welcome to Export Import Supply Chain and Custom. In previous session, we have completed the export container stuffing. Okay, and now in this session we will understand container de-stuffing in import. Okay, so try to understand these both activities are the difference. In case of export, we have to stuff the container for the destination buyer. Okay, but in import, we buy some goods from the exporter. So container will be unloaded in our factory. Okay, so this is the difference. In case of export, we have to stuff the container, but in case of import, we have to de-stuff the container. De-stuff is the unloading. Okay, so there are some steps by which we can understand the entire process of this activity. Okay, so the process container de-stuffing is the opening and unloading the vessel in which shipped goods arrived. Okay, so container sent by exporter and reach our factory. Then our unloading or packing team, okay, will unloaded the containers and disturb the cargo. Okay, okay. So this how this process happen, we will understand by help of some steps. Okay, which are mentioned on the screen. So if you see on the screen, the steps are mentioned like here. Intimations. Okay, so who will provide the intimation in import? Supplier will share the intimation with us. Okay, so this intimation is just for information that supplier has been export the goods and on the particular date the shipment will reach on the seaport. Okay, so these are the intimation, also called the pre-alert documents or estimate time of arrival. Now after before this process, before arriving the goods at the seaport, there is another important activity which need to be done is checklist approval. Okay, so the our we share the document to our CHA and freight forwarder. They will file the bill of entry, and for the finalize the bill of entry, CHA and freight forwarder share the checklist. Okay, so we have to check out the all details mentioned in the checklist with the help of commercial invoice given by supplier. Okay, so all the detail must be matched with the commercial invoice. Okay, like a buyer address, seller address, value of the goods, net weight, gross weight, and item descriptions, GST and AD code. Okay, so these things need to be checked out properly. Now, after approving the checklist, the next step is bill of entry generated and duty payment. Okay, so once we approve the checklist, the bill of entry generated in the system. Okay, and the custom duty need to be paid. Okay, so after payment of the custom duty, we get shipment out of charge. Okay, out of charge means we can now take the goods in our custody. Before this payment of custom duty, goods under the custody of the custom. Okay, now next activities start, e-way bill generations. Okay, so the e-way bill is generated by the transporter and the plants. So there are two parts in e-way bill. First part is generated by the transporter. In that we need to mention the transit time, kilometers, value of the goods, HSN, and country of the supply. Okay, this thing need to be mentioned. on EV bill, so that if any checkout will be done in the way, the driver will show the EV bill. Okay. Now the goods to factory. After this process, after the EV bill process, goods reach at the factory. So here our packing team and loading unloading team will de-stuff the container. Okay, so first container enter in the gate, okay, of the factory. Before entering the container, the driver need to share the document with the security. Then security will check out and update this data in the system. Okay, then container will get in. Okay, after getting containers, all the things need to be checked out and Migo system will be done. In process of the Migo, goods is inspected by the quality teams, and after checking out the goods, if okay, then Migo process done. Okay, okay, so this is the activities which is used in the container destuffing process. Okay, so we have understand what is the container destuffing in the import. So guys, we are going to end the session here. Thank you for watching the session. Have a nice day.